Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Kaur, practicing company secretary from Delhi. This is our part 4 of the series of video we are preparing for the CA and CA students. In this part, we are going to discuss some very important thing, how to read the ebook of the MCA website, ebook of the Companies Act on the MCA website. As I have seen, many times students are asking to me from where we can read the updated Companies Act. Because as we know, under Companies Act, there are amendments are coming on the regular basis. In last 7 years, there are a lot of amendment under Companies Act. So on the regular basis, amendments are coming. So sometimes it is difficult for us to purchase the book on the regular basis for each and every amendment. So the question arises, how to understand, how to learn the amended Companies Act, from where we can find out the amended Companies Act. For that purpose, I will tell you, Ministry of Corporate Affairs is providing a very good services. You have to visit the website. You can see on the screen mca.gov.in. Once you will go on that, on the home page, if you will scroll, here it is an option ebook on Companies Act 2013. Once you will click on the ebook, this window will appear. Companies Act 2013, Companies Rules, Effective Dates and Notification. You have two options. One, if you directly know the section, just mention the section here and search. That section will appear. Second option, you don't know the section, you know the chapter. So chapter names are mentioned here and mention the how many sections are covered by each chapter. Now I just show you the demo of one section. Let me check the demo of section of incorporation of companies. So I will click on the incorporation. Once I click the incorporation, there is a section 7 incorporation of company. I will click on this. Then this window will open. You can see on the window that complete section 7 is given there, along with amendments. Whenever there is any amendment came, it will be mentioned in the footer. So as you are reading the section, here it is mentioned as may be prescribed. As may be prescribed means something is prescribed in the rule. You don't have to waste your energy to find out the rule. Just click on this option. Rule will be open. Again, let's go to the section as may be prescribed. Whenever there is a word used as may be prescribed, you have to click on that and the rules will be open there. And whatever reference of any other section is given, you can read that also by here. So this is a very good option available with everyone to understand to read the updated company law. This section is this ebook is completely updated, up to date. If yesterday there is an amendment, I have my personal experience in next day that amendment is appearing on this ebook. So this ebook can help us to get update on the regular basis on the Companies Act, and this ebook can help us to understand the latest law. Whatever amendment came since last 7 years will be mentioned under the every section. Like one more thing, I just click on this acceptance of deposit section 73. So here is the section 73 you can see on the screen. Below this section, all the amendments came till date. You can see lot of amendments are here. All the amendments are mentioned here. Like it is mentioned that amendment effective from this July. Which notification effective that, just click on this. Notification of the MCA site will be open there. So this ebook is helping us in every manner to providing us the updated company law, to providing us the updated rules. And even these are providing the footers also. If you want to read the circular notification, that also can check by you. So I will suggest to all the students and members, whoever want to read the updated company law, please read the ebook of the MCA website. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any queries, you can mention in the comment box. Further, if you want to join our WhatsApp group for regular updates, you can message us on the below mentioned number 8130 65 778. Thank you so much.